A shocking revelation has emerged, highlighting a critical environmental issue that demands our immediate attention. Experts are calling for an urgent audit of an estimated 130,000 coal boreholes in Queensland as research uncovers a hidden threat to our planet's health. Last week, a study revealed that 2 abandoned coal boreholes were leaking methane at an alarming rate, comparable to the emissions of 10,000 vehicles. This discovery has sent shockwaves through the conservation community, prompting calls for action. The federal government's own estimates suggest that there are approximately 130,000 abandoned coal exploration bores in Queensland's Surat and Bowen basins, with their sealing integrity unknown. The Queensland Conservation Council has dubbed this issue the tip of the methane iceberg, emphasizing the urgency of the situation. Charlie Cox, a coal and gas campaigner, proposes a statewide audit of boreholes, arguing that this is a perfect use of coal royalties. In cases where coal corporations are no longer operational, she suggests levying current coal miners to cover the costs of remediation. If just 5% of the estimated legacy boreholes are emitting at similar rates, that's equivalent to the emissions of 65 million cars, Cox warns. Methane's impact on our planet is profound. Over a 20-year period, it warms the Earth at a rate approximately 80 times greater than carbon dioxide. This makes tackling methane emissions a critical priority in the fight against climate change, as Cox emphasizes. The Crisafulli government has a unique opportunity to make a significant impact by addressing methane emissions, she says. But how can we justify adding more methane to the atmosphere with new coal and gas projects when we don't even have a full understanding of the legacy emissions from existing boreholes? Dr. Stephen Harris, an expert on greenhouse gas releases from the fossil fuel sector, highlights the broader implications of this research. He suggests that similar methane emissions could be occurring across Australia, particularly in areas with a history of fossil fuel exploration. In New South Wales, we have over 9,000 known coal exploration boreholes, but the number of abandoned ones remains a mystery, Harris explains. While a small number have been checked for methane emissions, it's unclear if this is representative of the whole. This research indicates that there could be many more emitting boreholes that we haven't identified yet. The special cameras used by the University of Queensland have uncovered emissions from a borehole that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. Harris believes that measuring and sealing these leaks can lead to measurable benefits for our climate. The Queensland government, however, has not responded to questions regarding a potential audit or the mechanisms to recoup sealing costs. This issue is a stark reminder of the hidden environmental costs of our energy choices. As we strive for a sustainable future, addressing these legacy emissions is crucial. The question remains, will we take action before it's too late?